Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Numeraire or NMR token. In today's video, we will take a look at this big harmonic bullish reversal setup that Numeraire has formed on the weekly time frame chart. And I shared this setup with my members at the Patreon on 29th of June, a few days back. And I also want to show you this big down channel and the resistance, very strong resistance, and we will also take a look at the different price support and resistance levels as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And I'm also covering the different altcoins here, which are going to possibly going to start very big bullish reversal moves from here by forming different bullish reversal setups like NMR has done. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this harmonic pattern that NMR formed on the weekly time frame. And you can see I shared this pattern with my members here on 29th of June. And I told my members that we are moving at the very end of the buying zone. Therefore, this can be a very low risk and high reward trading idea. And I was expecting up to 262% rally from here. Now let's take you to the trading view. And you can see when I shared this idea at the trading view for my members, then you can see it was moving at $9.02. And now I'm just going to play the chart. And you can see it has pumped up to $41.21. That is more than 355% pump. And right now, again, we are moving here at $18.22. Now let's take a look at this down channel on the weekly time frame chart. If you're following my videos on NMR, then in my last video I showed you this very big falling wedge pattern that NMR has formed on the weekly time frame chart, and I was telling you that NMR is not going to start any big pump from here unless it will not break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And at that time when I shared this video, it was moving very close to the resistance, but unfortunately it was rejected. It did not break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And after the rejection, by the way, this was the support that I was following for the falling wedge pattern previously. It broke down the support and found another support here at $7 and approximately 70 cents. And after that, it is reversed back and entered back inside this wedge. But after this move, I'm expecting now this is behaving like a down channel, not a falling wedge pattern, because you can see we have rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and after this big gap we have another rejection or bounce from here. So it is going to behave like a down channel. And for example, if it will be dropped from here, it will be completely rejected by this resistance of the down channel. Then it can again test the support, and this time it can test this support of $7.69. Previously I was following this support here at $8.36. But we have, if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then we can see that we have more touch points here. So it can be approximately here at $7.50 or $7.70. And for example, if the price line moves more down to test the support of the channel, that will be here at approximately $7 or $6.90. Now if we switch to the daily time frame chart from here, then we can see NMR has also another resistance here at $23.20. We had the rally up to $41.21, but you can see that it is dropped down again, rejected by this resistance. And right now it is again struggling to break out this resistance. And previously this $23.20 has been working as a support here, as a resistance here. And if we move back, let me switch to the weekly time frame, then we can see that, because on the weekly time frame it will be more visible, you can see as a support here, this $23.20, as a support here, as a support here, almost as a support here as well. And right now it is again working as a resistance, because previously it was working as a support. Therefore now it is flipped into a resistance. Now after that, we also have another support here on the daily time frame that is visible, that is at $11.45. And you can see that when we had this drop, then we use this level as a support, for several days, and finally we broke it out. And if I switch to the 4-hour time frame, then we can see while we were moving up during this rally that was started back here after 23rd of June, we had a rejection here by this resistance of $11.45. That was showing that now this level is breaking as a resistance, and now after this breakout, we can expect that now this level can work as a support for NMR. And for example, if it will be completely rejected, then first it can test this support, and then it can drop to the next support of that we have approximately from $7.50 or $8. $7.50 will be more appropriate. You can see that we have more touch points here. Therefore, you can see that the next support is here at $7.50. And for example, if we will have a breakout from this down channel, then our target for this down channel will be here, because this is basically a bullish bias pattern. So if Bitcoin starts any aggressive move from here, any bullish move from here, then it can break out this channel very easily, and the next target can be at $77.22. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.